What if the next drone from DJI changes everything? People all over the internet are talking about the DJI Mini 6 Pro, and if the leaks are true, this could be the biggest upgrade we've seen in years. Imagine getting a lighter design, smarter obstacle avoidance, longer flight time, and a camera powerful enough to capture Hollywood-style footage, all in a drone. That's small enough to take almost anywhere. The expected price is around 799 NTs for the standard version, while the Fly More combo could cost between $999 and $113,919. If those numbers turn out to be true, DJI could once again set the standard for compact drones. But here's the big question. Is the DJI Mini 6 Pro really worth waiting for? Or is all this hype just another internet rumor? Welcome back to Drone Dominator, where we cover the latest drone technology before everyone else. Based on the latest leaks, the Mini 6 Pro could feature a larger camera sensor for better low-light performance, smoother 4K video, improved battery life, and more advanced obstacle sensing to make flying safer and easier. If these upgrades become reality, this drone could be a perfect choice for YouTubers, travelers, photographers, and anyone who wants professional-looking aerial shots without carrying a large drone. Of course, nothing is official yet, so it's important to treat these details as rumors until DJI makes an announcement. But if even half of these upgrades are real, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could become one of the most exciting drone releases we've seen in a long time. So stick around, because we're breaking down everything we know so far. What to expect, and whether this could be your next drone. If you're excited about the DJI Mini 6 Pro, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and let me know in the comments. Would you buy this drone on day one? Let's take off!